Hey guys, Captain Keith here. We're going to talk about shoes. There's a couple different schools of thought. You'll see a lot of boats, there might be the little logo on there or something that says no shoes. Pleasure boating, you're probably good with that. I just climbed aboard this Boston Weather 36 Outrage, and I do have white non-marking soles on. They're not like dress shoes, leather shoes, where you're going to be kicking and dragging black marks all over the place. The reason I like to wear shoes or boots or whatever when I'm fishing is, one, you've got hooks laying around, could be flying around on the deck. Also, like this fish box here, all these hatches, you've got to lift up, you know, and twist them for it to pop open. So you're in a hurry, you're throwing your fish in here, you're putting your bait back in there, and you close the latch down and you reach over here to this one and you're in a hurry and you don't get it, right? Now all of a sudden that thing's sticking up, and if somebody comes walking by here in their bare feet, they're can catch a toe, trip over it, or whatever, so it's not gonna go anywhere. So you're wearing shoes, you're not gonna break a toe, you're less apt to slip. If you're gaffing kingfish, you bring a grouper in here on the deck and it's getting slimy, your shoes are gonna help hold you. If you're just going out for a day at the beach, which Alyssa likes to do here.
I do, I like to do
and
both.
She likes to fish too,
Of course, I do like to do both. But if you're just gonna be hanging out on the boat, you're not gonna be doing any kind of fishing, the best practice is usually to take your shoes off. Now, I take my shoes off every single time I climb aboard a boat here at MarineMax. I do wear little socks here, no-show socks. You can go barefoot if you're just going out for a day at the beach. Take your shoes off, no problem walking around on the deck. Pretty much every boat we sell here at MarineMax is either gonna have non-skid, anti-slip flooring, sea deck, or some kind of woven vinyl that snaps in that's gonna make it comfortable underneath your feet to be without shoes, and also make it safe to walk without shoes on the boat. So this is when you can kick back, wear your flops, kick them off. If you're going out for a nice evening, my suggestion is not to wear any kind of pointed heel, especially on any of those sea deck products or vinyl products, because believe it or not, those high heels will actually puncture right through the sea deck and leave markings in your decking, as well as possibly damage your non-skid that comes factory on the boat. So any kind of spike shoe, any kind of heel, take those off. If you're casual, then you can be casual and take those shoes off.
So something else too I've seen over the years, a lot of people, whether you're trailering your boat's in a high and dry or whatever, even with these white non-marking soles, right? You still pick up stuff walking through the parking lot. Your bottom of your shoe is going to be dirty. So have dedicated shoes for your boat. So you traipse down through the marina, you get down to your boat, you open up a hatch, you got a little laundry basket or whatever it is for you, your husband, your wife, your kids. Everybody's got their own little boat socks, their boat shoes or whatever. So that way, if you're swimming, you're jumping around, you're running at the beach, you're not going to step on something that maybe, you know, you don't want to, or whatever. And it'll just, you know, keep you from stubbing a toe or something on your boat.
Yeah.
So
the idea is to increase the longevity of your decking and your flooring, and also your feet.
that's right. So, hey guys, thanks for watching. Check us out on our YouTube channel, and Alyssa and I will
see you on the